More examples of Internet-connected devices. Smart home devices include AI voice assistants like the Amazon Echo and Google Home, smart thermostats, smart appliances, smart security systems, smart lighting, and more. Industrial devices. Industrial IoT devices are used in manufacturing, logistics, and other industries. They include sensors that monitor equipment performance, drones that inspect infrastructure, and robots that automate tasks. Healthcare devices. Healthcare IoT devices include wearable fitness trackers, smartwatches, and medical devices that monitor vital signs and may transmit data to healthcare providers. Transportation devices. Transportation IoT devices include connected vehicles that can communicate with each other and sometimes with central systems to optimize traffic flow and improve safety. Agricultural devices. These devices include sensors and actuators that monitor soil moisture, temperature, and other factors to optimize farming, as well as drones that can survey fields. Consumer devices. Consumer devices include smart TVs, smart sensors, and smart appliances that can be controlled remotely and communicate with other devices. Payment terminals. IoT-enabled payment terminals can collect and process transaction data securely, enabling real-time analytics and fraud detection. Summary. There are millions of IoT devices worldwide that, if left unsupervised and uncontrolled, could be subject to unethical hacking and misuse, thus resulting in dire consequences.